Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a practice golf balls watercolor scrunch. Around 5 months ago, Steve suggested that I try these wiffle golf balls. They're like practice golf balls, and so I bought them from Amazon, and I will put a link for them down below in the description box. Anyways, they arrived, and I tossed them in a pile with everything else and forgot about them. And then I was tidying up the other day, and I stumbled upon them, and so we're going to give them a try. I'll tell you though, I didn't really wrap the shirt around them like I probably should have, so they're just in there. But using these over the sink strainers, I really love them for doing scrunch dyes because you can put a couple of them in one tote and they're just quick and easy to do. So you just scrunch the shirt up, put a layer of ice on it, and then you add your dye. And for this particular shirt, I'm using all of my new special order dyes that I got from Kathy Sprague, and you can find her over at Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace on Facebook. And I chose colors that all seem to have like garden names: hyacinth, bachelor buttons, and grasshopper. Now, grasshopper's not a flower, but you can find them in the garden. After you get all the dye on your project the way that you like it, give it a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure, and then you want to let it batch for 48 hours after the ice melts. Now you could do 24 hours if you'd like, but where I live it's still pretty cold, so I do the full 48 hours. And now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do however many hot water cycles it takes using Kirillon, and it's usually about 2 cycles. And then I do a final hot water cycle using Millsoft, and then I'll put it in the dryer and I'll iron it, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I think it turned out really pretty. This is my first time using any of these colors, and I think they're really beautiful. I have a serious sore throat, so I'm not going to say much, you guys. I'm just going to let you watch the rest of it and look at all the pretty flowers. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.